Pop! OS, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, or Fedora? Which Linux distro should you actually use in 2025? They're all great, but each one targets different users. Let's break down which one fits you. Linux Mint is built for Windows refugees. It uses the Cinnamon desktop that feels familiar, runs on older hardware, and focuses on stability. Perfect for beginners who want Linux without a steep learning curve. Ubuntu is the most popular Linux distro with the largest community and best third-party support. It uses GNOME by default and strikes a balance between stability and modern features, great for general users and developers. Pop! OS is made by System76 specifically for creators and gamers. It has excellent NVIDIA driver support, auto-tiling windows, and gaming optimizations out of the box, ideal for people switching from Windows for gaming or content creation. Fedora is cutting-edge, backed by Red Hat, and ships with the latest software. It's stable enough for daily use but gives you newer features faster, best for developers and enthusiasts who want modern tech without rolling releases. Desktop experience and ease of use. Linux Mint wins for beginners. Cinnamon looks like Windows with a taskbar and start menu. Zero learning curve. Ubuntu's GNOME is more modern but different from Windows, takes a bit of adjustment. Pop! OS uses a customized GNOME with auto-tiling, which is powerful but can feel unfamiliar at first. Fedora also uses GNOME. For easiest transition from Windows, Mint is unbeatable. Gaming and hardware support, Pop! OS is the gaming champion. It comes with Steam, Game Mode, and NVIDIA drivers pre-installed. System76 optimized it for performance. Ubuntu also games well with good Steam support. Mint works for gaming but requires more manual setup. Fedora games fine but doesn't prioritize it. For gaming, Pop! OS or Ubuntu are best. Pop! OS, especially if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Software availability, Ubuntu has the largest software ecosystem. Most Linux apps are built for Ubuntu first. Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu, so it gets the same software access. Mint is based on Ubuntu too, so compatibility is excellent. Fedora uses RPM packages instead of DEB, which means slightly fewer third-party apps available, but Flatpak fills the gap. For maximum software compatibility, Ubuntu and its derivatives, Mint, Pop! OS, win. Stability versus updates. Linux Mint prioritizes stability. Conservative updates, no surprises, rock solid. Ubuntu releases every 6 months with LTS versions every 2 years. Balanced approach. Pop! OS follows Ubuntu's schedule but adds its own optimizations. Fedora releases every 6 months with cutting-edge features, Wayland by default, latest GNOME, newest kernels. If you want stability, Mint or Ubuntu LTS. If you want latest features, Fedora. Community and support, Ubuntu has the biggest community, tons of tutorials, forums, and solutions online. Mint and Pop! OS benefit from Ubuntu's resources since they're based on it. Fedora has a strong community but smaller than Ubuntu. For troubleshooting help, Ubuntu-based distros have the advantage. Choose Linux Mint if you're new to Linux and want the easiest, most familiar experience. Choose Ubuntu if you want the most popular distro with maximum software support. Choose Pop! OS if you're a gamer or creator with NVIDIA hardware. Choose Fedora if you're a developer who wants cutting-edge features and the latest software. Which distro are you using? Comment below, like, subscribe, and enjoy Linux.